Don't ask ChatGPT to design your quote or idea right away. Instead, ask if it understands your quote or idea first. There's a big difference. It's kind of like this. If you wake up late for work, still half asleep, you grab something random to wear and rush out the door. Later at work, you realize you're wearing two different shoes. But if you wake up early, take your time, you're fully awake and dressed properly. Everything's more put together. Same thing with ChatGPT. I'll show you two different approaches using the same quote so you can see what I mean. Here's the first approach. I just go straight in and say, here is a quote. It's not a dad bod, it's a father figure. Please generate a design for a t-shirt. Design with a transparent background, not a t-shirt mock-up. This isn't how I usually write prompts. They're usually more detailed. But here, I just want to show you the core idea, not teach prompt writing. So ChatGPT gives me a design, and it's good. Sure, I'd need to adjust the placement a bit, but overall, it's a solid t-shirt design. There's just one little detail, the mustache. Yeah, it's a common symbol for dads, so it kind of makes sense. But it doesn't really match what the quote is about. So, did it follow the request? Yes. Did it capture the spirit of the quote? Not really. Now, here's the second approach. This time, I start with, here's a quote. It's not a dad bod, it's a father figure. How do you understand it? Then ChatGPT explains the meaning, and trust me, sometimes it totally misses the joke or goes off in the wrong direction. So I always check. This step isn't really for me. It's more about warming up ChatGPT. So when I do ask for the design, it knows what I actually want. So after that, I use the prompt. Please generate a design for a t-shirt. Design with a transparent background, not a t-shirt mock-up. And now the design makes sense. It still fits the request, but this time it also reflects the meaning behind the quote. The first one was general. This one is spot on. Again, this isn't about correct prompts. It's about waking ChatGPT up a bit, giving it context before you ask for something creative. Of course, if you already know exactly what you want and your prompt is super specific, you can skip this step. But if you're letting ChatGPT interpret your idea, warming it up first really helps.